Here's our old front door driver's side lock. There's a couple things you got to pay attention to. Is this thing here, when that's turned, that's actually where your key's going to turn. And then this little rubber thing here is actually going to get turned by the door hatch. I'll show you that inside. Okay. If it'll focus, here's your door hatch pulling that, and the key's in the door and it's turning that. So those things have to go into position. To get the key to go into that slot, the key's actually going to have to be pulled outwards. So you're going to have to pop this cover off and then undo these two screws. With those screws undone, you're going to be able to pull the key out now. And that's going to, as you'll see here, that's going to make this whole unit slide out so we can get that into the right position. Alright, that just pops into there now. Alright, just do those up loosely to start with, and then we'll move the key into the back into location. You may have to turn the key and do a little bit of shoving and maybe even reaching around inside here to move some of the I guess it's this thing here before you get this to seat properly. But anyway, once you do, it's easy. You just turn the key. You can feel the mechanism working now. Hear that? And then you tighten these two screws up again. Once I have this connected up, you can see the key is going to turn this mechanism here. And let's see if we can see it from in here up through there. And then the handle pulls this thing here. It's a little stuck now. I've got to figure that out. Removing the lock from the rear door is not much different from the front door. But one of the things is it's a bit difficult to rotate, and this is the motion you do, is to rotate the old lock out, because it has to rotate around the window brace. So a couple things you need to do is, one is to undo the two screws that hold the door latch in, and so you can back off the door a little bit. And the other thing that I found helpful is to undo this screw which holds that pillar that holds the window in, and then that moves, and then it becomes pretty easy to remove the lock and put the new one in.